Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove permissions from unused websites automatically on Chromebook after so much time has elapsed. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings near the bottom of this menu. On the left panel now, select Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, you want to select Site Settings. Scrolling down, so at the bottom, there should be something that says Automatically Remove Permissions from Unused Sites. To protect your data, let Chromium remove permissions from sites you haven't visited recently. Doesn't stop notifications. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference, but if you want to automatically remove those permissions, just make sure you toggle to the right, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.